Welcome to Lost Creatures Codex channel. Here are basic infos about several interesting extinct creatures. Abalosaurus was a large, meat-eating dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 85 million years ago, in what is now South America, mainly Argentina. It belonged to a group called Abalosaurids, which were known for their short, deep skulls and tiny forelimbs. Abalosaurus itself is mostly known from a partial skull, so scientists aren't completely sure how the entire body looked, but it was likely around 7 to 9 meters long. Its skull was tall and narrow with rough bone surfaces, which may have supported crests or ornamentation. Abalosaurus was probably a top predator in its ecosystem, hunting smaller dinosaurs and possibly scavenging. Aeratops was a small, early member of the Ceratopsian family that lived around 83 to 74 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period. Its fossils were discovered in Montana, USA, and it's named after Ava Cole, the young daughter of the landowners where it was found. Unlike its famous relative Triceratops, Aeratops was much smaller, only about 2 to 2.5 meters long, and likely weighed around 300 to 500 kilograms. It had a short frill and small horns, suggesting it was still evolving the dramatic headgear seen in later Ceratopsians. Aeratops was a plant eater, using its beak-like mouth to clip tough vegetation, and likely lived in herds for protection. Its discovery helps paleontologists understand how horned dinosaurs evolved and diversified in North America. Cambium was a small, early hoofed mammal that lived about 54 million years ago in what is now India. It was roughly the size of a dog and looked a bit like a cross between a horse and a tapir. Cambium is especially important to scientists because it helps show how early relatives of modern horses, rhinos and tapirs, called perissodactyls, might have evolved. Its fossils suggest it was a ground-dwelling animal with strong limbs, likely able to run and browse for plants in lush forests. The discovery of Cambium in India supports the idea that these ancient mammals may have originated in or near the Indian subcontinent before spreading to other parts of the world. Nothosaurus was a marine reptile that lived during the Middle Triassic period, around 240 million years ago. Its name means false lizard. It had a long, slender body, a flexible neck, a pointed head with sharp conical teeth perfect for catching fish, and webbed feet that helped it move in water, though it could also crawl onto land. Nothosaurus is thought to have been a skilled ambush predator, a bit like today's seals or sea lions in its lifestyle. Fossils have been found in Europe and Asia, showing it was widely distributed in shallow seas. Niktosaurus was a strange-looking flying reptile that lived during the late Cretaceous, about 85 million years ago. It belonged to a group called pterosaurs, and it soared over ancient seas in what is now North America. Niktosaurus had a long, pointed beak and a very thin, lightweight body perfect for gliding. What really made it stand out was the enormous, antler-shaped crest on its head, much larger than its body. Scientists believe the crest might have been used to attract mates or help with balance during flight. Despite its odd look, Niktosaurus was a skilled flyer, feeding on fish and squid from the ocean below. Parvikurser was a tiny, fast-running dinosaur that lived about 85 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period in what is now Mongolia. It belonged to a group called Alvarezsaurids, known for their small size and specialized forelimbs. Parvikurser was one of the smallest known dinosaurs, estimated to be only about 1 meter or 3 feet long and weighing less than a cat. It had long, slender legs built for speed and a stiff tail that helped it balance while running. Its forelimbs were very short but strong, ending in a single large claw, likely used to dig into insect nests for food. Subscribe for more content like this. See ya!